For many architects, designers, and builders, custom-made cabinetry is the most convenient way to go. And for homeowners, the word custom is synonymous with luxurious or high-end. However, using a custom cabinet maker is often quite risky and usually not such a great value. That's because large industrial factories can use their power to develop and engineer various features which cannot be made by a custom cabinet maker. Another advantage of larger factories is the consistency and quality control. For instance, it is very difficult for smaller shops to make cabinets which are truly handleless with continuous grip rails to match the cabinets. European factories normally build in all the lighting, but if you were to use a custom cabinet maker, you'd need to specify which light fixture to use, where will all the wiring go, how to make the cutouts for the lighting, which transformers to use, and so on. Another challenge is lacquering, which normally would be done by the cabinet maker manually in the spray booth. If you would ever need to reorder a part or a door, the color may not exactly be the same as the one was made using factory precision lacquering. Most custom cabinet makers are individuals, so relying on a single human being versus an established factory is always riskier. But of course, those who use custom cabinet makers are okay with it because the custom cabinet maker can take all the components, which in theory are similar to what you would get from the factory, and make a comparable product. That's just like going to your local mechanic and asking them to figure out what all the components of a brand new Mercedes are and build a better car. In theory, it is possible nowadays with the power of the internet, but most of us would not do that because we trust the industrial power of Mercedes, their R&D department, and their quality control. Most people would not want to risk their safety when driving on the highway to their local mechanic. And if this is true for cars, why would it not be true for kitchens? Kitchens are very mechanical, and it is very important to make sure they function well for a long time. Usually, you would open and close your cutlery drawer tens of thousands of times during the lifetime of your kitchen. So just like a good, reliable car, you would want your cutlery drawer, as well as your entire kitchen, to function properly forever.